नमस्कार विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, आज आपण मॅथमॅटिक्स पार्ट फर्स्ट चॅप्टर नंबर 1 लिनियर इक्वेशन इन टू व्हेरिएबल या चॅप्टरच्या पहिल्या व्हिडिओमध्ये आपला सर्वांचं स्वागत आहे. लिनियर इक्वेशन मीन्स इक्वेशन ऑफ लाइन. इक्वेशन ऑफ लाइन can be in a one variable. In previous standard we study the equations of line in a one variable. See this line, horizontal x-axis, vertical y-axis. The equation of this line is x equals to 3. It passes through the 3 of the x-axis and therefore the equation of line is x equals to 3. Means the equation with one variable is either parallel to one of the axis. कुठल्या ना कुठल्या तरी अक्षाला ते ऍक्सिसला ते पॅरलल असतात, समांतर असतात. पण जेव्हा दोन व्हेरिएबल असतात, general form of linear equation in two variable ax plus by plus c equals to 0. Now in this equation x and y are two variables and a, b, c are coefficients. These three are coefficients. Now the equation is said to be linear equation two variable under condition. The conditions is a, b, c are real numbers, means they belongs to R. ते real number असले पाहिजेत सगळे. And at a time a and b is not equal to 0. दोन्ही एकाच वेळेला शून्य असू नयेत. याचा अर्थ असा की एका वेळेला एक जर शून्य असेल तर चालेल. कसं ते पाहू आपण आता. Suppose this equation 3x plus 4y equals to 6. Definitely this is the linear equation in two variable. See this equation 3x plus 0y equals to 2. Now in this equation actually the equation is 3x equals to 2. Therefore, this type of equation is called as a linear equation in one variable. But if this equation is written in this form, means by using the both coefficient x and y, then it becomes linear equation in two variable. And therefore, this type of equation is called as a linear equation in two variable. Because here if we compare this, a equals to 3, b equals to 0, c equals to 2. Our condition is a and b both not equals to 0 at a time. Here only b equals to 0. म्हणजे कोणताही एक a आणि b पैकी कोणीही एक जरी 0 असेल तरी देखील ते इक्वेशन हे लिनियर इक्वेशन इन टू व्हेरिएबल असते. म्हणजे याचा अर्थ असा की कोणतंही लिनियर इक्वेशन इन वन व्हेरिएबल 2x इक्वल्स टू 6. आता हे लिनियर इक्वेशन इन वन व्हेरिएबल आहे. या इक्वेशनला आपल्याला लिनियर इक्वेशन इन टू व्हेरिएबल असं त्याचं कन्वर्शन तसं करता येते. कसं 2x प्लस 0y इक्वल्स टू 6. मीन्स ईच अँड एव्हरी लिनियर इक्वेशन इन वन व्हेरिएबल कॅन बी कन्व्हर्टेड इनटू लिनियर इक्वेशन इन टू व्हेरिएबल. म्हणजे दोघांपैकी कोणताही एक जरी 0 असेल लिहिलं तरीही त्याला आपल्याला लिनियर इक्वेशन इन टू व्हेरिएबल असं म्हणता येते. आणि त्याचं जनरल फॉर्म आपण पाहिले ax प्लस by प्लस c इक्वल्स टू 0. याच्यामध्ये a, b आणि c हे रिअल नंबर्स आहेत. तर हे झालं डेफिनेशन आणि इक्वेशनच्या स्वरूपाच्या संदर्भात. आता आपण सायमल्टेनियस इक्वेशन म्हणजे काय ते बघू. When we study a pair of linear equation in two variable at a time, then the pair of such equations is called as a simultaneous equation. For example, 2x plus 3y equals to 6 and x minus y equals to 2. Now these two equations together called as a simultaneous equation. And the methods of solving the simultaneous equations, there are some algebraic methods as well as graphical method. Algebraic and graphical. In algebraic method, we can solve the simultaneous equation by using the method of elimination as well as by method of substitution. Let us discuss the methods of solving the simultaneous equation one by one. First, discuss the algebraic method. Now see these two equations, x plus 7y equals to 10, and second equation 3x minus 2y equals to 7. So this is the pair of linear equation in two variable. The coefficient of x in first equation is a 1 and in second equation it is 3. If we use here method of elimination, then we know that the coefficient of variable should be equal. Therefore, now multiply equation 1 by 3 so that the coefficient of x will be equal in equation number 1 and equation number 2. Multiply equation 1 by 3. So what we get, 3x plus 21y equals to 30. And second equation as it is, 3x minus 2y equals to 7. Now in order to eliminate x, we have to perform subtraction of these two equations. Then x will be eliminated and we get the value of y. For subtraction, this positive become negative, this negative become positive, and this positive become negative. Take the subtraction now. X terms gets cancelled. 21y plus 2y is a 23y equals to 30 minus 7, it is a 23, and we get the value of y as y equals to 1. So by putting value of y equals to 1 in any one of the equation, we get the value of x. See how it is, x plus 7y, put y equals to 1 in x plus 7y equals to 10. X plus 7, value of y is a 1 equals to 10. X plus 7 equals to 10, x equals to 10 minus 7. This is the simple transformation. Plus 7 becomes minus 7. So x equals to 3. And therefore, solution equals to 3, 1. So first value indicate the value of x and another indicate the value of y. Do you understand this? Now, this equation can be solved by using method of substitution. Same these two equations.
By using any one of the equation, just find out the value of any one variable. For example, take first equation, x plus 7y equals to 10. To get the value of x, x equals to 10 minus 7y. This is the value of x. X equals to 10 minus 7y. Now put x equals to 10 minus 7y in equation second. What is the second equation? 3x 3 into bracket 10 minus 7y. This is the value of x. Instead of 3 into bracket x, 3x, value of x is 10 minus 7y equals to, now this is 3x minus 2y equals to 7. Now solve this by solving the bracket. 30 minus 21y minus 2y equals to 7 minus 23y equals to 7 minus 30. These two gets together, minus 23y equals to 7 plus 30 become minus 30. So y equals to, it is minus 23 divided by minus 23, and so y equals to 1. So after getting the value of y, put this value of y again in any one of the equation, you can get the value of x. Put y equals to 1 in x plus 7y. X plus 7y equals to 10. X plus 7 into bracket 1 equals to 10. X plus 7 equals to 10. X equals to 10 minus 7, and therefore x equals to 3. Again the same answer. Therefore solution equals to value of x is 3 and value of y is 1. Is it clear? Now you can use any one of the method according to the question. If we ask, use method of substitution, as well as you can use the method of elimination of any one of the variable. Okay, thank you.